Nobody ever thought their way to success. Nobody ever hoped their way to success. Nobody ever wrote goals on a planner to success. They acted. Action is what attracts. It's the action. It's the movement.
Why are we doing what we do? For me, it's doing something that can bring people together, to bring joy, bring fun. I think about that all the time. The game of banana ball is what I'm most proud of because I've seen what's happened to fans and I see kids now playing it all over. We want to deliver a unique, different show every single night.
You cannot have three first priorities. What is the first priority of the business? So I will ask the question, who are the keepers of your brand promise? Who are the keepers of what you promise as a company?
You are the most powerful being on this planet, and you were created for a purpose far greater than your eyes could ever see. A life full of happiness, fulfillment, joy, peace, and overwhelming gratitude. A life where you get to finally know who you are, why you're here, and what you're supposed to do with your life.
People need to hear your story. People need to see your vision. And when you learn to communicate, you pass it on to others, and you help so many people make a difference in the world. So let your dream come out and learn how to communicate it with excellence. Thank you very much. My name is John. I'm your friend. Thank you.